So, the people that know me, I'm a slime scholar. I make artisan keycaps out of resin along with a bunch of other stuff. I have future goals to make knife handles and clickers, which I do have a clicker already pre-made. Go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. I gotta turn the black light on, obviously, because these things glow in the dark. It's one of my main specialties is glow in the dark. Excuse me for looking rough, because I just woke up. This is one of the clickers that I'll be making here very soon. Excuse me for the lighting context and everything. This is going to be called the slimy clicker. It doesn't come with a bead, obviously. You add your own, but it will come with lanyard, glow in the dark included. You add your own keycap, possibly one of the ones that I make. Your own switch, which you can lube or not lube, film or not film. We'll have them in dual and triple variants, meaning that there will be 2 or 3 keycaps among these, and they will be priced very affordingly. The originals are going to be made of aluminum, but the ones after that will have a logo placed on the bottom. The logo is going to be very similar to the original keycap logo that I use. It's just a slime drip with a plus mark in the middle, standing for the actual stem that holds the keycap on. Um, so I'm going to do a little bit of a video documentary since our home burned down last year around December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. And we've been living in a rental thanks to all the people that donated to make sure that we would survive without money. Because I do work at a vape store, I have for about a decade now. But sadly, working at a vape store and having aspirations to do greater things with art sometimes don't work out. Having rent that's expensive, $1,400 a month just for the payment of the rental, not including electricity or internet or all the other finer things that we like to enjoy, Netflix, etc. So basically, what I'm getting at is that I am going to try to videotape the hell that I'm about to go through, considering that I have a shed that is covered in cobwebs, so there's no telling how many active spiders are out there. It does have power, thank God. It's got lighting, thank God once again. But it's covered in cobwebs. I've got to clean this place out. I got to get all the stuff out, realign everything, try to level the ground out, put some pallets out there to be able to put our tables on so that we have a clear, flat working area. And then after that, we are going to have to go through all of the stuff that did manage to survive the fire, colorant wise, meaning the powders that we use, resins, all that didn't manage to burn completely up. Hopefully they're still good. If not, once again, that's going to incur more costs for me to buy more resin. Not a big deal. I'll work till the day that I die to be able to fund the art that me and my girlfriend, fiance, enjoy to do. Um, I just figured I'd start this series of videos, this being the first introductory video. I'm sorry about the camera quality. I use an Android. All the Apple users are now laughing at me, but for the most part, it should work well enough. Um, I'm going to record me cleaning, so there'll probably be a lot of stuff that people will skip through on this, but I just want to show the progress that I'm making or trying to make, trying to get my mental health, my life, and everything back in order. Um, this isn't for publicity or anything crazy like that. It's just basically for me to show that I can still do this, to show that I still have the heart and the willpower to put in to do the work. I get 2 days off a week, thanks to my job being wonderful. They let me leave early whenever it's not super busy, so I'm able to get more done. I have been slacking on getting a lot of stuff done because it's once I get home, I just want to relax, but I've got to get that complete mindset out. It's got to be out. It's got to be do work, come home, relax for a little bit, then go back to work. And this is going to be the journey of that. So once again, my name is Robert, but I do go by Slime. Slime Scholar is the name of the caps. Our group company name is called House Slimescura. It's the mixture of myself, Slime Scholar, and Obscura Caps, which is my fiance's keycap company, along with our digital designer John, which is an incredible artist. He does our keycap personal logos. He does designs for other people. He's open to bookings, so there's always a plug for him. If you guys would like to look at his artwork, he does have an online portfolio, college trained. The kid's incredible. Um, Eventually, we will add more people to the group. Furby makers are always open to a possibility. We're a Furby family. We lost around probably about 70 Furbies in the house fire. A few of them survived, I think about three or four. I had customs made from one of my favorite custom makers on the internet. Sadly, they both got burnt to crap. Pretty much everything that we owned, other than maybe 1% of it, was burnt to pieces. Which there are videos of that. I hate posting them up to show people how bad the damage is. If this video series does anything well and you guys want to see the actual videos of walking through the house fire aftermath, I'll be happy to post them up. I really don't talk about it. I do have a forum posted that explains everything in minute detail. If you ever want to read through that, I can leave that link also. But I'm basically just getting ahead of myself. I need to go ahead and get dressed. So I'm going to pop some clothes on, put some protective gear on, get out in the shed, start pulling stuff out, cleaning out cobwebs and vacuuming. Hopefully I can get a lot of it knocked out today, and if not, then I'm not going to beat myself up for not getting it all done in one day. As they say, Rome wasn't built in a day, it was destroyed in a handful of them, but it wasn't built in one. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. For the people that know my art and know my girlfriend's art and have followed since day one, thank you. For people that are just seeing this now, hopefully this will bring in some new eyes. Even if it doesn't bring in more cash, at least the art is being seen. This has never been about money. I talk about it all the time. I mean, yeah, you want to make back what you put into it, but when it comes down to it, my whole thing is trying to make art that's affordable for people that want to have fidget toys, little toys that are 6 to 12 inches tall. Keycaps, obviously, being our main love, but there's a lot of stuff that we've wanted to do for a while. Fire set us back, but as the old saying goes, the house burned, but the house still stands. So, much love, everybody. Hopefully, this series does something for someone. All right, stay slimy.